Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Pay on your Fenix 8. This fantastic feature lets you make secure, contactless payments right from your wrist, leaving your wallet at home. To get started, you'll need your Fenix 8 watch, a compatible bank card, and the Garmin Connect app installed on your smartphone. The entire setup process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, typically taking just a few minutes to complete, so you can enjoy the convenience almost immediately. To set up your digital wallet, first open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. From the app, select your Fenix 8 device, then tap on Garmin Pay and choose Create Your Wallet. You'll be asked to establish a secure 4-digit passcode, which you'll use to authorize payments. Next, simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to input your credit or debit card details. This ensures your financial information is safely stored and ready for use. Making a payment with your Fenix 8 is incredibly simple. From your watch face, press and hold the control button for approximately 2 seconds to access the shortcuts menu. Then, select the wallet icon. If it's your first payment after putting on the watch, you'll be prompted to enter your 4-digit passcode for security. Finally, choose the desired card and hold your watch within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader until the transaction is confirmed. Garmin Pay prioritizes your security. Your 4-digit passcode ensures that only you can authorize payments, and it's required at the start of each new session. Importantly, Garmin Pay uses tokenization, meaning your actual card numbers are never stored on your watch or shared with merchants, keeping your financial data private. Remember to keep your Fenix 8 software and the Garmin Connect app updated for optimal performance and security. You can easily manage or remove cards through the app whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.